Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Panda Bamboo from Garten of Banban. We are going to start in the middle of the page, and let's start off the head first. Let's do two big cheeks on this either side, a little bit towards the top. We're going to draw one side and other side, almost like a parentheses. Once you're done with the cheeks, let's go up for the forehead and connect like so. And with that done, let's draw in the bottom of the chin across and connect. Now with the head done, we can do a layout of our panda. Let's draw in one ear on this side and another on this side. And Panda Bamboo does have some hair, so we could add that in. 1, 2, 3. And a little bit of a circle for inside the ear for the pink, like so. Once you're done with those steps, let's draw in the eyes. The eyes are going to be a really big shape to start. One right here. And one right here. And when you're done with these two shapes, we're going to do a black on the outside because it is a panda. 1, 2. And just fill this in with black. Almost done. And this side also. Once you're done filling that with black, let's draw in the little eyes. Let's go right here. Draw in a medium-sized circle on either side. And then we're gonna draw in a black circle in the middle. And we're gonna save the outside for another color. For the nose, it's just gonna be a nice circle. Little highlight and color in black. And once you're done with that step, let's draw in the big creepy smile. Let's go right here, across, and connect. And for the smile, all we need to do is draw a zigzag across, like so. And then now we can draw in the rest of the panda. Let's draw in the arms. It's just going to be a shape like this with 3 claws on one side. And let's do the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3 claws. And for the body, let's go from here and go out and down on either side, and a little bit of U in the middle. And we want to connect and add a little foot, like so. And since this is a panda, we need to add some areas for the white and black to separate. So these two lines in the middle, it's going to separate the black from white. And our drawing is pretty much done. We just need to add some color for our Panda Bamboo. I'm going to use a gray for the dark spots. Let's start off with the ears, and then we're going to color the top and bottom. It's super easy. Since pandas are mostly black and white, this one shouldn't have too much color. We might add a little pink after. Top is done. Let's move to the bottom. Bottom is looking good so far, like so. And let's do pink for the ear color. 1, 2 ears, and then brown for the eyes. Like so. Let's see if we can add in a little bit of a darker gray for some shadowing. And there you have it. Panda Bamboo or Panda Bamboo from Garten of Banban. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.